Hey, it's that time again for Fortunate Questions. The time that we read your questions on the air that were sent to us from you, the viewer, and baked into a fortune cookie by Mr.
right.
Wong. Mark, could you please deliver today's question
I can do that.
via fortune cookie?
Ooh, look at this. Fresh, hot off the presses, off the oven sheet.
What do we have here?
Yeah. This is going to be a great question. I just
You can
know
sense
it.
it, huh?
I can sense it.
Okay, it's from Devin or Devon? Devin, probably.
I think it's Devin.
It's Devin from Oakland, California. Almost a local guy, right? Just down the road a little bit.
That's right.
Short question says, how do you achieve sharp focus?
Hey, you focus on what you want to have in focus,
And
and
you
then
focus
it
it.
will take the picture and it'll be in
You'll
focus.
focus it. Thanks.
That's a good no.
Good,
Light.
actually, really good question.
Yeah, light is what a lot of people don't realize is the greatest thing to help you achieve sharp focus. And that's one of the reasons we push using flash so much. Because if you learn how to use it, it doesn't really look like you're using flash, but it allows you to get tack sharp images.
Freezes the image at
does.
slower shutter speeds.
Yeah. So try using flash or be in an area where there's more light.
Or raise your shutter speed.
Yeah.
Right? I mean, that's the kind of thing, too. People often don't realize, especially when you're starting out in photography, that shutter speed is crucial to getting sharp pictures. You know, if you're shooting at a 50th, 1/50 of a second, your pictures, you can handle it, right? I mean,
unless you've been hand holding for a long time, there's probably a good chance you're going to have a little bit of a blur.
But it's still not going to be tack sharp.
That's right.
So
My
raising
goal
that
is
shutter speed.
125th. If I can be
least.
at 125th, I know that I'm going to have a sharp image. So
You know, yeah. So I mean, I can handhold sometimes down to 1/15th, 1/10th of a second.
Yep.
But I'm like, my muscles are all flexed. I'm totally rock
Exactly.
solid, and it's not comfortable to shoot that way.
Yep, and we shoot every day, so it's one of those things where we're used to handling our cameras.
But
Good question.
that was pretty short and sweet. Devin, I think that's a good question. If you are struggling with focus, which it sounds like you might be, you might actually. The other thing I just thought of is lens calibration.
Yeah.
I've had that happen where a lens
Where you're going, why am I out of focus?
it just happens to be your lens. It's not calibrated, so you can either send it in to be calibrated or get a new lens if it's an inexpensive lens.
That's
But,
right.
that could be the other thing. So, like always, please send in your questions. We love reading these questions every week.
Love
And
it.
in fact, lately, we've talked about this before, but there has been a flood of questions. I mean, it's like a tidal wave of people asking us questions. We want you to continue that process. If your question gets picked, you will earn the coveted
Chopstick
Guys
kit.
kit. And that's a
Yes.
kit that includes a bowl for your wasabi, your soy sauce, and your ginger, 2 sets of brilliant chopsticks, and the famous Chopstick Guys chopstick holder, all wrapped up in a fabulous package.
Oh, yes.
Please like and subscribe to this channel. If you like us, we ask you to give us a thumbs up. If you don't like us, we ask you to give a thumbs up. If you kind of like us, we ask you to give us a thumbs up. That's all we care about is a thumbs up because we're ego-driven photographers.
That's
now.
right.
But please subscribe to this channel. That's what keeps us going every single day and providing some great content for you. But most of all, we want you to remember, say sushi. Till next time.